So, welcome to the part 2 of 3 from the registration file. In this video, we will create the same function we created with the username for the password. So, we will create some if statements and check if the confirmation password is the same as the password you entered, or if it's empty, so we can generate a message that the user should write a password in the password field. We let me type a little bit so I can. It's better to write and explain it a little bit later for me because it's not easy to talk and write. So here, as you see, we write down some stuff for our if statement. We checked if the confirmation is clear and if the confirmation works. So if the normal password and the confirmation password is do match, and we checked also if the password have at least 6 characters, so the people or the person have to check what password have to choose a password with 6 characters, and after this we check if the Error variables are clear or empty, and then we will insert our user into our database. So we can save it to the database, and this will we do with our with the insert into users, username and password, and then we will create a MySQL statement. So at first we have to connect to the database and check if if we are connected, and then we will write it into the database. So let me type a little bit, it's not so easy to write and communicate. Yeah, and after this we typed a little bit, so when it's done with a registration, if there's no errors, we have the header function where we get redirected to the login PHP. So after this we close the statement, the SQL statement, and then we will close the connection to the database. Okay. In the next video, we will do the rest with the registration form, and yeah, thank you for watching.